Hey friends, if you encounter the issue File Explorer Navigation Pane missing in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing, I'll show you what the issue is exactly. So we have File Explorer here and there is no navigation pane. I mean the pane on the list on the left hand side. So there's a setting for it. It's usually checked by default, but it can also be unchecked. Click on View, select Show, select navigation pane, and the navigation pane is back. Now if it is still not working, then you need to re-register the shdocvw.dll file which manages it. So the command, I'll share the command in the description section of the video. It's usually regsvr32 space -i space the name of the file. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. Okay, and lastly you can perform an SFC scan. So in the same elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.